KAL and wife slaughtered by Bipul Kundo with machete. One person goes missing after falling off from Langbuku Cascade at Karbi Anglong on 8th of October. Karbi Students Association Inglong Po Langkai Langso Sub-Branch observes its first anniversary at Inghan Adong. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. On 9th of October, a horrific incident was reported where a man named Bipul Kundo slaughtered his wife and his 2-year-old daughter to death with a machete. This incident took place in the night of 9 October at Bukdajan, Rongapahar, falling under the jurisdiction of Donsore Police Station. According to sources, it was reported that around 11 p.m. midnight on 9th of October, Bipul Kundo returned home and sealed the entrance of their house and threatened his wife, Taraboti Kundo, 25 years old, with a machete, which later took her life along with her 2-year-old daughter. According to villagers, it was informed that Bipul Kundo has 3 children. 2 of his children were away from home while the incident occurred, and Taraboti Kundo was also pregnant.
মাইকী জনীৰ নাম তাৰাবতী কৰ্মকাৰ হয় এই খেৰুৱাৰ তাৰাবতী 25 বছৰ 26 বছৰ দিন পাব সৰু ছোৱালী 1.5 বছৰীয়া.
Bipul Kundo is an alcoholic, consequently landing into a quarrel on a daily basis, and the same routine was repeated the day the incident took place. No any help could be provided as the house was sealed from the inside. Later, the villagers had to breach the walls of his house and finally kept Bipul Kundo into captive.
তালা মাৰি একেবাৰে ভিতৰত হাতিয়াৰ দাও লৈ মানে মাইকীজনী কাটি পেলালে আৰু তা সৰু 1.5 বছৰীয়া পোৱালি আছিলে তাক বি মাৰি পেলালে.
Police informs that the body of Taraboti Kundo and her 2-year-old daughter was sent to Deephu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report, and the convict Bipul Kundo was taken to Deephu Police Station.
উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে পঠিয়ালোঁ আৰু বৰ্তমান আজি পোষ্টমৰ্টেম কৰিলোঁ মেজিষ্ট্ৰেট মেডামে, তাৰপিছত আৰু এতিয়া PM কৰিবলৈ পঠিওৱা হৈছে.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 8th of October, late evening, 2 friends while taking pictures at Langbuku waterfall. One of them was reported to be missing after he slipped and fell off from the cascade at Langbuku picnic spot, falling under the jurisdiction of Manja Police Station. No sign of the missing person had been traced so far. Langbuku waterfall is famous for its unique landscape and its magnificent scenic beauty of the waterfall. This had attracted unceasing number of tourists from far and near throughout the year in all weather. Langbuku was 3 steps of waterfall. To have an eye experience of the waterfall, one has to climb up the hill through rocks. Likewise, 2 friends climbed up to snap the moment for memories. It was then when one of the friends slipped and fell off the Langbuku cascade. According to Manja Police, the missing person was identified as Suresh Chakma, resident of Dimapur. A team of State Disaster Response Fund (SDRF) was called on 9th of October to find, trace and rescue missing person. The search was done rigorously, yet no any sign of Suresh could be found. SDRF says they would continue the search for Suresh the following day. It was reported that on 9th of October, the search operation was carried out by State Disaster Response Fund, and on 10th of October, the search operation was entrusted to National Disaster Response Fund. Bijoy Rongpris report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live. On 9th October, Karbi Students Association Langkai Langso Sub-Branch celebrated its first anniversary of its formation at Langhanadong Kangburabe Playground. Karbi Students Association, with a vision to uplift the educational sector and to monitor the progress of all-round development in Langkai Langso area, formed its sub-branch at Langkai Langso last year. It was reported that in early morning, the sub-branch celebrated its anniversary by hosting the organizational flag, followed by paying floral tribute to all the ancestors of Langkai Langso area. The ceremony was chaired by Komal Singh Bey, President Langkai Langso Sub-Branch, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Dilip Kramsa. Budho Terang, General Secretary, CEC, Liton Singh Timung, President DRC, Mongol Singh Terang, Secretary, Borlangpher Head Branch, members of Arlong Parla KCS Unit, village headmen and several other dignitaries from the region attended the event. On the occasion of first anniversary celebration, successful candidates in HSLC, HSSLC and bachelor's degree were felicitated by the sub-branch. Komal Singh Bey, President Dilip Kramsa, Secretary, and Dor Singh Bey, Vice President Langkai Langso Sub-Branch Appeals, Dr. Tuliram Bongham, CEM of KAAC, and the concerned authority to immediately appoint more teachers, construct good roads for easy commute and provide legal land patas to all the inhabitants of Langkai Langso area.
Kasi nilitum tim kar biang long phan kachuning ri bang ke lapulo nilituman ajat ak akisung le nang rap re kusitame kota pen la pen and la tuar bang nang munai pia sonte kusin nilitum non dak Langkai Langso sub-branch pen.
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.